Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video on Kohima and Nagaland. So let's explore Juko this time. Juko Valley sits high amongst the clouds at 2,452 meters above sea level, straddling the borders of Nagaland and Manipur in northeast India. In summer, vivid green hillocks pave the way for blue mountaintops and bright flowers wave in winds amongst the tall grasses. In winter, temperature drops far lower than one would expect in such tropical states, and Juko Valley freezes, sometimes covered in white snow. Juko Valley is most famous for its multicolored carpets of flowers that blooms in summer, most notably the Juko lily, which is found only in Juko Valley. Juko Valley is well known and loved by local tourists from Nagaland and Manipur, and yet to be discovered by foreigners and domestic tourists from further away. Come visit while you can, because India's northeast is almost certainly going to experience a tourism boom in the coming years. The valley can be approached from two towns, Jakhama and Viseswama. Jakhama is about 20 kilometers from Kohima and Viseswama about 25 kilometers away from Kohima. Kohima itself is reached by bus or private taxi from Dimapur. The nearest railhead to Kohima is in Dimapur. To get to either of these towns from Kohima, take a shared taxi from Network Travels AOC bus stand. There are several yellow vans and sumo parked. Just ask one of the men sitting around and you will soon be pointed to the right vehicle. It costs 40 rupees per person to get to Jakhama and 50 rupees per person to get to Viseswama. The taxi leaves when full.
We just started the trek. Few people are moving forward. Just fresher than me and still there. So where are others? Still not there? Yes. 4 hours. Oh God.
And it takes about 30 to 45 minutes to reach Viseswama. The shortest route for most people is to begin your hike from trekking point, which is located at the end of the motorable road, approximately 8 to 9 km from the village Viseswama. It should take you roughly 45 minutes to an hour to reach the top, depending on your fitness level. Thereafter, walk seems very easy. The roads were still frozen at 11 am during the trek. It was an extraordinary feeling to trek Juko.
Careful. Can you pick one from there?
What, ice?
Oh, those are big ones. Yeah. We have this.
You have to remove your shoe. Yeah, no?
Please, now, Visabita. I don't want to remove it. I will go down. No. See, it's there also. We can pick there also.
No. Very small.
Oh, it's there. See, we'll move there. Oh, wait. कोई बात नहीं. Oh shit. No, it's okay. Oh, it's too big. It's too big, guys. Is it? I'll break it. Come on. Keep it here. Oh, I'll make a slow motion video.
This is one of the most amazing places I have ever visited in my life, with amazing people on earth.